Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Silicon Power UD90 2230 SSD, a powerhouse storage solution for your portable gaming needs. Let's see if this compact SSD lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk specs. The UD90 2230 comes in a range of capacities, from 500 GB to a whopping 2 TB, making it perfect for storing all your games, media, and more. Its M2 2230 form factor means it's tiny, but don't let its size fool you. This SSD packs a punch. In terms of performance, the UD90 2230 delivers where it counts. With PCIe 3.0 support, it's optimized for devices like the Steam Deck, offering smooth gaming experiences without breaking a sweat. However, if you're looking for top-of-the-line performance with PCIe 4.0, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: QLC flash. While QLC drives often get a bad rap for their slower write speeds, the UD90 2230 manages to hold its own. Plus, with Silicon Power's reputation for reliability, you can trust that your data is in good hands. But what about the price? At around current price, the UD90 2230 offers great value for the capacity it provides. And with a 5-year warranty and impressive endurance ratings, it's a solid investment for your gaming setup. In conclusion, the Silicon Power UD90 2230 SSD may not be the flashiest option out there, but it gets the job done. With its compact size, robust performance, and affordable price point, it's a worthy contender for anyone in need of portable storage. That wraps up our review for today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy gaming!